Hi boys and girls, I hope everyone is feeling well and happy. So it's a beautiful day today, and I was taking a walk this morning and looking at the trees and enjoying how beautiful they were. And I was thinking how important they are to us. They're important to us all. What do? They give us shade from the sun. They give a place for the animals and the birds and the insects to live. They do a lot of things. But one of the most very important things that trees do is they make air, oxygen. Oxygen, auf Deutsch is Sauerstoff. This is what we all need to live. We need it to be able to breathe, yes? And did you know that trees, the leaves of the trees actually are making all of our oxygen? Yes, they are. But if you look at them, can you see the oxygen being made? We can't, can we? We know that we learned that in autumn, the leaves are busy making food for the tree, but the oxygen is the second thing that they make. And we're going to do an experiment today and take a look and see if we can see some of the oxygen that's coming out of the leaves. So let's go inside and get ready to take a look. So here is our experiment table. And to do this experiment, you're going to need to collect some leaves. And you're going to need a glass jar and some water. And you fill almost to the top with water. And then you can take your leaf and you can put it inside the glass of water. Then you have to wait. You wait for about an hour or so. And after that time, you can start checking your leaf. You will see that the leaf is beginning to form bubbles. See the teeny tiny little bubbles that are on the leaf? That's the oxygen coming out of the leaf. Let's take a look at another leaf here. Look at the bubbles that are laying on top of this one. That's oxygen coming out of those leaves. And then, just for fun, I collected a pine needle. And here you can see that also, remember, pine needles are just teeny tiny leaves, and you can see the oxygen coming out of the needles there. Yes, and even some rather big bubbles. It almost looks like perhaps the pine needles make more oxygen than the large leaves, doesn't it? Okay, so boys and girls, after taking a look at the bubbles that formed on the three different kinds of leaves that we had today, you can see that the oxygen forms out of the leaves a little bit differently. Perhaps some leaves produce more oxygen than others. So perhaps when you do your experiment at home, you can collect more different types of leaves and try and find out which leaf, which type of tree makes the most oxygen. That would be really interesting, wouldn't it? Okay, well that's all for today. Have fun with your experiment. Until next time, bye.